Hello, welcome to our quick overview. I'm here to introduce our company, Network Innovation. We specialize in secure network solutions that ensure both safety and efficiency for businesses. Today, we're showcasing our project of a law firm in Bali. Our goal was to develop a network that is secure and support the firm's daily operations effectively. Our strategy was to design a robust network topology, implement essential security measures like a security blueprint, like SCTA programs, and ensure the system is resilient against disruptions. Our commitment lies in delivering reliable and efficient network system that meets high security standards.
Hello, let me introduce the network topology design section. This diagram depicts the network topology for the main reception and administrative areas within a law firm, organized into two distinct VLANs. VLAN 1 is dedicated to administrative area, featuring multiple administrative workstations, phones, and servers, all connected through a central switch and supplemented by seamless Wi-Fi coverage via a wireless router. VLAN2 is designed for the reception area, linking multiple workstations and reception phones to a dedicated access point to ensure efficient operation. This layout enhances the security and optimizes traffic management by splitting VLANs to meet the specific needs of different areas. Add four components. Two VLANs enhance security and manage traffic in reception areas. Law firm service process legal documents and support internal management. Administrative service handle critical applications like scheduling and billing. Lastly, WLAN controllers and access points ensure stable Wi-Fi coverage and network management in public space.
Now let's look at the partner office. The partner office has two blocks. Two blocks use one core switch and each block has one sub-switch. In each block, there are 14 PC and 14 IP phones for partner, two security cameras and one access point for Wi-Fi, and there is a WLAN controller connected to the core switch. About the role of each network component, first core switch. The core network switch acts as the central hub connecting all the room blocks and other network components, and each block 1 sub-switch, it is used to connect the wired network ports in each block with the core switch, and surveillance camera is used for security and monitoring purpose. One PC and IP phone per person for partner's office use, total 14. And the access point provide Wi-Fi coverage and allow staff and guests to connect their device wirelessly to the network. And WLAN controller or access points communicates with the WLAN controller through the core switch for centralized management. And then is meeting room. Meeting room also has two blocks. Two blocks use one core switch and each block has one sub-switch. In each block, there are 20 laptop PC and one video conference for meeting, two security cameras and one access point for Wi-Fi. And there is a WLAN controller connected to the core switch. About the role of each network component in meeting room, first core switch acts the central hub connecting all the room blocks and other network components, and each block 1 sub-switch is used to connect the wired network ports in each block with the core switch, a surveillance camera used for security and monitoring purpose, and one laptop PC per person for office use, and total 20 laptop PC. And access point provide Wi-Fi coverage and allow staff and guests to connect their device wirelessly to the network. And all access points communicate with the WLAN controller through the core switch for centralized management. And the video conference it is useful as a meeting video.
This overall network. The diagram shows the network architecture of the law firm, featuring connections from the internet to a router linked to an internal WAN connecting to various routers and switches. It includes a data center, system control node, and a DHCP server. Key network points cover the main reception, administration area, two partner offices, and two meeting rooms, ensuring efficient access and potential network security and traffic management. The law forms three-tier network architecture for enhanced scalability and redundancy. The access layer provides seamless connectivity with dedicated switches and VLANs for traffic segregation. The distribution layer includes dual switches and a mesh topology for robust connections. The core layer connects to the main router, a DHCP server for IP management, and a data center, ensuring comprehensive access and connectivity across the firm.
Good afternoon. My name is Lang Chuan and my metric number is 161317. Now I will present part 3, security needs for the law firm. The first security that a law firm needs is security awareness training. Law firms should conduct regular security awareness training for staff members to educate them about security best practice, such as identifying phishing emails, using strong passwords, and reporting security incidents. Secondly, access control. There are two types of access control that the law firm can apply. The first one is user authentication. Law firms should enforce strong authentication mechanisms such as username, password combination, or two-factor authentication to control access to the network and sensitive resources. Secondly is role-based access control. Law firms should implement RBAC, role-based access control, to assign appropriate access privilege to staff members based on their roles and responsibilities. Thirdly, security monitoring and logging. Law firms should deploy a security information and event management system to collect and analyze security logs from network device, servers, and applications for proactive threat detection and response. Law firms also can implement a centralized log management solution to store and analyze network logs for security incidents, investigation, and compliance purpose. The next one is perimeter security. There are two types of perimeter security that can be applied. The first one is firewall. Deploy a firewall at the network perimeter to filter and monitor incoming and outgoing traffic, blocking unauthorized access and potential threat. Secondly is intrusion detection or prevention system. Introduce an intrusion detection or prevention system to identify and halt suspicious activities and potential attacks. Lastly, data security. The first type of data security that can be applied is encryption. Implement data encryption mechanisms such as TLS or SSL for securing sensitive data in transit. Secondly is data loss prevention. Implement data loss prevention solution to monitor and prevent the unauthorized transmission of sensitive information outside the network. Thirdly is regular data backup. Set up regular backup of critical data to ensure data availability and recoverability in case of data loss or corruption.
For part 4, we want to introduce the security blueprint, SET, and the continuity strategy. At first, let's start with the security blueprint. It is divided into 3 parts: network security, system security, and data protection. For network security, we take the following measures: configure firewall and configure IPS and IDS. For system security, we focus on the malware and the malware prevention. More specifically, such as setting up the regular full system scans, enabling real-time protection, and updating security patches on the regular basis. Finally, for data protection, we main focused on the encryption of data transmission and storage and data backup. Now let's move on to the SDTA section, where we focus on the 3 areas of security education, safety training, and safety awareness to improve the safety awareness and the skill of our employees. For continuity strategy, we focused on the DRP to make sure the company has the ability to couple with some contingency by developing a plan and identifying the critical business system and data, listing the emergency context, setting up an offsite backup facility, and synchronize the data.
And now I will present part 5, security technologies which will be deployed or applied. The first one is Network Border Infrastructure System. By identifying threats, comparing threats, conducting traffic inspection, recording logs, and being fully programmable, the Network Border Infrastructure System defends the law firm. The technology is used to identify and reduce threat to network security. Secondly, is Intrusion Prevention System, IPS. The network IPS guards against harmful traffic coming from outside the law firm at the point where law firm networks enter internet coverage. With the help of the IPS, law firm can safeguard its wireless network and perform advanced threat detection. Thirdly is firewalls. There are three types of firewalls that can be applied. The first one is next generation firewalls. Through the use of content inspection, cloud-based threat intelligence, and malicious software analysis, the next generation firewalls protect firm information access from cyber criminals and stop network attacks. The technology improves the law firm information security operation and offer consistent protection. Secondly is distributed firewalls to safeguard and prevent harmful traffic in the virtual server environment. Thirdly is data center firewalls to secure specific network activities to and from certain projects, system, and information kept in firm data centers. And lastly, virtual private network (VPN). A virtual private network (VPN) provides a secure and encrypted connection over the internet, allowing remote access to the law firm internal network. It ensures that sensitive legal information stays confidential and protected from hackers by encrypting data in transit. VPNs enable employees, partners, and clients to safely access the firm resources from anywhere. This not only enhances network security but also supports smooth data exchange and help the law firm comply with data protection regulation.
Let's quickly go over the key legal and ethical aspects of our network system for the law firm. Data protection and privacy. We adhere to GDPR and the local Indonesia laws to safeguard personal data. Confidentiality. Our network design upholds client and attorney confidentiality for all client communications and documents. Cybersecurity. We comply with the international standards and local regulations to secure the network against cyber threats. Business continuity. Our systems are designed with redundancy to ensure continuous operation during disasters. Transparency. We maintain transparency with the clients about how their data is protected. In conclusion, our project successfully integrates robust network topology with strengthened security measures. We've implemented a 3-tier architecture for enhanced performance and scalability, utilized VLANs to segment traffic for increased security, and ensure network reliability with redundancy features. Our security framework includes strong authentication and access controls, comprehensive security measures like firewalls and IDS, and continuously staff training on cybersecurity best practices. Additionally, our design complies with the international and local data protection regulations, ensuring legal and ethical integrity while maintaining client confidentiality. The project's security technologies, including next-generation firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, and VPNs, further fortify the network against threats. This comprehensive approach guarantees not only operational efficiency but also prepares the firm to handle any unforeseen challenges.